Namaste. Let's begin our practice today, moving into dynamic arm raises. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, and on your exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body, while creating more flexibility and mobility through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, with your next inhale, reach your arms overhead as you lift through one leg, and on your exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly while drawing your navel slightly in and up, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lift through your heart, and as you exhale, gently pull your elbows together, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Adding on, inhale, elbows open. Exhale, bring your elbows together as you lift through one leg. Continue ramping this movement around your breath, lifting your knees from right to left, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding a twist, inhale, elbows wide. Exhale, draw your right elbow towards your left knee, squeezing and contracting through your ab muscles. Continue on this side, moving through your own range of motion, working through your obliques. Do one more here and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, elbows wide. Exhale, gently twist, drawing opposite elbow to knee, flexing through your ab muscles, working through your obliques. Adding on, let's alternate from right to left. Inhale at center, elbows wide. Exhale, opposite elbow to knee. Continue rotating from right to left, allowing this twisting action to activate your obliques. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Lean back at a slight angle, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Using your core, lift both legs to hover. Begin to draw small circles with your legs, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles while using your core to stabilize this movement. Keep your chest lifting and your core engaged as you switch directions, working through the front, back, and sides of core, resting when you need to. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.